Hello to all of my beautiful Harriman India family out there. So I just wanted to make this quick little video for a really important reason. So as everybody knows, this whole COVID-19 virus craze thing is going on right now. And I feel like it is very much more important if we're going to stay socially distanced to be able to connect digitally, properly, face to face. So I'm implementing a couple of things for Harriman India, as well as all of our clients around the world and the US and California in general. So first of all, we are available and open and shipping daily for all of our clients, wholesale and retail. All you need to do is if you want to see the hair, you can give us a call. We can FaceTime with you. I'm going to be sending out an email in addition to this video, which is going to have instructions for you to book FaceTime video calls as well as by appointment only wholesale showroom meetings. The reason for that is this. California generally released an order saying that essential businesses and businesses that provide services for others to be able to work from home are allowed to be open and active. And that is what we do. We provide you, the business owner, the ability with our products and our service to be able to work from home and create your own lifestyle. So once again, that's really important that we're able to keep operating and able to stay open and able to keep things moving for you guys. So if anything, this slows down things a little bit and allows you to work on your back end, pictures, products, websites, sales sheets, CRMs, things like that, and continue to plan and work for your business whenever all this passes over and the country and the world is getting better and not in sickness anymore. So once again, guys, wherever you are out there, be safe, be well, be calm. Please, 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 please don't watch the Facebook and stuff like that and just panic on what people are saying. I've had to recently clean up my Facebook list like incredibly. It was looking like, 7 out of 10 people I read on there had degrees from doctors and hospitals and, accountings and lawyers and all this stuff. And there's just a lot of people talking and speculating. And that's not to say they're stupid or wrong or anything like that. It's just being in the hair industry for so long, I understand the power of misinformation. Y'all was thinking Yaki was a real person that was selling her hair for a while. And not all of y'all, but a lot of y'all were. That's what the market in general and people in general are doing. So stay away from that, guys. Once again, stay safe, stay healthy, follow common sense. Listen to the large CDC, WHO, people that are actually doctors and research and specialist people that are trained to handle these type of issues as well as inform the general public. So once again, a few things that we're doing here in the showroom in Los Angeles is all hair coming in, first of all, is being double checked at customs in India as well as the US. When it comes here, we are leaving packages to the side for a few days before even opening them to, double, down on the risk of any kind of contamination. That being said, FedEx and UPS, which I will try to add into the email, have both released, information saying that, handling a package or with cardboard on it that's coming from there is not something to be as worried about. We're still taking extra precautions. On top of that, if you're entering the store, apologize once again. Love all you guys, but if you are sick, look sick, have a temperature, anything like that, I will have to wave at you from the window and tell you to call me. That's just for our safety and not just mine, everyone around me, everyone else I work with as well. On top of that, like I said before, we will be having links to our Calendly page where you can book FaceTime phone calls with me personally in the showroom so you can see any kind of quality, any kind of stock you need to see before you make your purchases and move on from there. So yeah, there's just a couple things we're doing. I'm going to be rolling out a full email explaining the full packages of what we are doing to make sure everything is safe and still continue to operate at this time of our lives when things are crazy and a lot of people are unsure. All I can say is this from a personal note. Guys, use your heart, obviously use your head to understand and comprehend and pay attention to credible, valid sources. But now is not the time to be scared of other people, to be, mad. And honestly, you got to be lighthearted, but watch the jokes. I mean, especially on social media, people don't understand a lot of times when you're joking. That's why, for me, I've been staying away from most people out and about. I leave to go to the mountain or to the beach, and I stay by myself. I'll wave, I'll smile at anybody near me. But I'm, common sensely keeping my distance from everybody. That being said, I am 110% connected on phones, emails, Facebook, Instagram, social media, Yelp, everything. You can reach us, you can contact us. I will walk you through what I need to walk you through. I obviously have a lot more time on my hands now, so I'm actually making all my strategy sessions, 30-minute strategy sessions, totally free. All I ask is this, guys. Please don't call me for a 30-minute strategy session and say, so how much your hair is? Or how you go about wholesale. Read what I sent you for free, look through it, figure out what questions you have, and we can go from there. As always, there's never any kind of pressure to order or make order with me. I love helping you guys out. I love talking about this stuff. This is what I do on a daily basis, 24/7. So I'm a wealth of information. Please use me and give me a call, 228-596-5678. Be safe, be well, be blessed, guys. Peace.